Going back to the salary sacrifice. So essentially, if somebody's earning £120,000, they could sacrifice that £20,000, pay that money into their pension. They could also pay it as a personal contribution at the end of the year as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So as long as it's done in the year. So it's not a question of when you do it. Well, it is a question of when you do it, but it could be a lump sum. It can be regular contributions. It can be a mixture of both. So it can be either there. And there's other things to sacrifice as well. Pensions is normally the go-to. It's normally the biggest one. But you can, if your employer allows you to, so you need to ask your employer, you can sacrifice your salary for other things. And there's a raft of different things that you can sacrifice your salary for. Company cars is a common one. Electric cars still have decent benefit in kind rates. Petrol or diesel cars don't have so favourable benefit in kind rates. So you need to do the maths there to work out if it actually is beneficial to you, because if you have a petrol or diesel car, actually your tax can go up significantly by you sacrificing your cash for that car. Other things like holiday pay. So a great example is one of my staff members actually said, I don't really want to earn more. She's comfortable on what we're paying her. She didn't want to go up, I think because of I couldn't remember the exact reasons, but child benefit or something like that. So she, instead of taking a pay rise, she decided to sacrifice some of her salary for increased holiday. So now instead of having 5 weeks off, she's actually got 6 weeks off in a year. And that's something that we can accommodate in our particular business because, it's a perk.
Okay. But a perk that isn't taxed, unlike a company car or medical or
basically, because you're looking at the moment, right? If one employee will earn X amount of money working what would be 47 weeks of the year, she will now earn basically the same amount of money, but working 46 weeks of the year.
Yeah.
So from a tax perspective, you don't need to pay any more tax on that. We just need to work it out and make sure that it's appropriate for her, and we can manage that from a capacity angle. So it's an employer issue. It's not an employee issue. She was very grateful that we can actually do that for her.